Hey, this is Holly with SLAYMATH. I'm going to do a little more complex problems with the parabola, graphing, domain range, x-intercepts, y-intercepts. Just keeps going on and on. There's a lot of things you can do with this. But let's check it out. Okay, we're going to do f of x equals x squared plus 8x. Now, if it opens up or down, we look at if it's negative x squared, it opens down. If it's positive x squared, it opens up. So we look at the sign in front of the term x squared. So that opens up. So your parabola should look like a regular U. To get the vertex, we use x equals negative b over 2a. So that is, a is 1, b is 8. So negative 8 over 2, it's always a 2, times 1, negative 4. So this is the x value of the vertex. To get the y value of the vertex, we plug negative 4 in for x. So negative 4 squared plus 8 times negative 4. That is 16 minus 32 is negative 16. So our vertex is negative 4, negative 16. Axis of symmetry. X equals, had to press pause and intercom, x equals the x value. This is always the x value of the vertex. So you have to put x equals if it doesn't have an x equals in front of the box. Usually does not after number 8. The x-intercepts, we factor. X squared plus 8x. Take out an x with GCF, x plus 8. So this is 0, and this is negative 8. We change the sign when it comes out of parentheses. So my x-intercepts are 0 and negative 8. Y-intercept. Y-intercept is if you put zeros in for x, those are all zeros, and there's no constant. So y-intercept is 0. To graph it, we plot the vertex first. Negative 4, negative 16. Negative 4, negative 16. It'll give you room to do that. And then the y-intercept, y equals 0. Then we plot here, and it's going to draw the graph, and you make sure it opens up. The domain. Left to right, negative infinity to infinity. It's always that, the domain on a parabola. The range is bottom to top. So I start here and I go up. Up is a positive infinity on the right. It goes to negative 16. This is always the x value, and this is always the y value. It goes to negative 16. Starts at negative 16 with a bracket, because this is a closed dot, up to infinity. Increasing and decreasing. My two intervals of increasing and decreasing. My axis of symmetry is here. My left interval is negative infinity to negative 4. My right interval is negative 4 to infinity. The left side of this blue line, blue dotted line, is that interval. The right side of the blue dotted line is that interval. So these two are going to here. You just need to figure out which one. Increasing. I'm increasing on this right-hand side. So negative 4 to infinity. This is always the x value, parentheses always. Decreasing on the left-hand side, negative infinity to negative 4. And that just about does it. Slay.